烈をA hurricane is passing through. I've got my coffee here and I am headed to work. It's raining outside, so I'm gonna put on a coat. Okay, I am in the car. It is 7:21. Like I said, we've got some bad weather coming through. I absolutely hate leaving Barnaby, especially when he like barks and stuff, because it makes me feel so bad. I feel like a horrible mother. I think I'm going to listen to Gals on the Go with Brooke Michio. Yeah.
We listen to my podcast in the morning, so if it's the morning on Wednesday, then I guess you're not halfway through yet. It means you have to like get through to Wednesday, and then like you made it. Student, athlete, YouTuber, and serial entrepreneur, shlifebrand.org.
So I am actually home from work now, and power is out. Trying to get whatever fixed. I don't know if there's a tree down. This is kind of how our front yard normally looks. There's a few limbs down, but other than that, I guess it's something further down the road. I'm trying to show you what time it was, by the way. Anywho, I'm very annoyed today with the fact that the power is out, but I'm also just about to start my period, so I'm like cranky. Anyway, so I am getting ready to go to the studio. My car thinks every single time that my dance bag is in the passenger seat that I have a passenger. We are on our way to the studio. I am in my car a lot, just in case you didn't know. So today at the studio, we are learning some new combos. I think we're gonna do a new little jazz combo. You know what? Yeah, I've decided just now that we're gonna learn a jazz combo. I'm actually gonna listen to a podcast. On the way there, I'm listening to Gals on the Go. Anyway, I'm gonna go.
And restaurants.
Love you, bye. It is 7:35. I am finished with classes. I am going inside to see my beautiful boyfriend. So I need to gather myself. Okay. Hi. Hello.
What you get?
Hello.
What
These
you?
Gatorades.
Oh, nachos.
Huh?
Nachos.
Wow. Dinner smells amazing. Yum. Hi, my sweet boy.
Fine.
Okay. Hello, other sweet boy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes. Yes. So good.
Soup by Jerry.
Very good. It looks yummy. It smells delicious. Let's eat.
Which bowl?
Hi. Okay, so last you saw, I was coming home from dance class, and since we ate and went to bed. Okay, that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. That's what we did. And I just want to take a second this morning and chat really quickly with you before I have to go to work. There are weeks where I just don't have a video ready, and I understand that. And this week, you know, I'm barely cutting it. Like, this is coming out Anyway, today's Friday and I'm releasing this Friday, but I am so underprepared this week. It's not even funny. Like, stamina, that's the word I'm looking for. I genuinely just did not have the stamina to produce anything this week. My body literally just would not let me, and I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. My period is coming on in a couple of days. Let's hope. I'm so sorry if this video and previous videos have not... Okay. So here's the thing. The last few videos have just done so badly. I mean, like, I don't know. They just haven't done good, and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's... Well, my last video, I know, is because I talked about going number 2, and people just didn't like that, but... whatever. You guys are staying alert on my Instagram and on my community page because I ask a lot of questions about what kind of videos you guys want to see. So if you want to see certain specific videos, make sure you're commenting and voting on those polls and stuff like that I have going on. That way you guys can see the videos and content that you want to see. But yeah, so I've just been like, I haven't had the stamina this week. It's just been like, for whatever reason, I guess my period, just so, and I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. More than you guys know, honestly. Merch is coming out soon, October 15th. Remember. Mark your calendar. If we can get my YouTube to 4K and my Instagram to 3K by October 1st, then I'll consider coming out with my merch a little earlier. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye. Oh, one more thing before I go. I've been losing subscribers. Not that it matters. Not that it, like, but what's going on? Anyway, not important. Love you. The real MVHPs are here to stay. So if you're a real MVHB, comment down below that you're a real MVHB. Period. Love you so much. Bye.
Lumos Maxima.